Welcome to the next major section of our course, Data Visualization. We have learned how to collect, clean, and analyze data using NumPy and Pandas. Now, we must learn how to communicate our findings visually. Maybe the most fundamental and widely used plotting library in Python is Matplotlib. 1. What is Matplotlib? Matplotlib is a comprehensive library for creating static, animated, and interactive visualizations in Python. It is designed to be highly customizable, allowing you to create publication-quality figures, charts, and plots. Think of it as the original core drawing tool for Python data science. 2. Why visualize data? While statistics like the mean and standard deviation are useful, they can often hide critical information. Visualization helps us identify trends, patterns, and outliers that are invisible in raw data tables. A well-designed plot can communicate complex information almost instantly. Before importing, you must install first. You open your terminal and run this command. 3. The Pyplot Module. Matplotlib is a very large library, but almost all introductory plotting is done through the Pyplot submodule. This module provides a simple interface that is modeled after MATLAB, making it straightforward to generate figures and axes. Standard practice is to import it using the alias plt. 4. The plotting workflow. The basic workflow is simple. First, prepare your data, typically using NumPy or Pandas structures. Second, use a plt function, such as plt.plot, to define the visual elements. And third, use plt.show to render and display the final figure. To summarize, Matplotlib and Pyplot are our tools for visualization. Our next lecture 37.02, Create Project. See you there.